Hey guys, it's Sarah from Roundabout Roasters. This is our dog Jupiter. What we just did there was a basic French press. We did a 35 grams of coffee and a boiling temp of water with a coarse grind. And you just set the timer for 4 minutes. It's super easy to do at home. We all personally love doing French presses. So yeah, and we have a new Etsy shop. And so just make sure you go out and buy some coffee from your local supporters. Thanks for watching.